box body here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1991 Ford Mustang LX convertible. Of course, 5-liter underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission in this particular model. Power steering, power brakes, AC, Oxford white in color, red cloth interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, and much more. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the 5-spoke chrome pony wheels. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see the paint shows well. Fun car for local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Kind of one of those get into the collector car hobby without having to break the bank. Clean Carfax on this car, no accidents indicated. Also some recent service work that I'll go through here in just a bit. Of course, you can see bucket seats, center console, power top, black vinyl power top. We'll put that up at the end of the video so you can see it run, or see a condition of that also. We're also going to start the car up. So you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. But first, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can also see the luggage rack, convertible top cover or parade boot in nice shape. You'll be able to see pictures of the top up, top down, UniqueClassicCars.com. Now, as far as that recent service work, rear brake shoes just installed as well as rear wheel cylinders. Coolant was flushed within the last year or so, and a new water pump. As we take a look at the driver's side of the car. Now, there's a few spots where the paint's touched up. Kind of see that. Don't get me wrong, still shows well. Has a little later model Mustang scoop on there, but just kind of your typical few little touch-up spots here and there. Something else that I want to mention on this one. So, consignor this vehicle said sell it as it is. Just announce it in the video, so that's what we're doing. The headlight switch is a little wonky, and the parking lights want to stay on. So there's a battery disconnect. What I've done is when the car sits, I just click off that battery disconnect. Consult with your sales associate. Obviously, we have a shop and technicians, something we can maybe work out with the purchase of the vehicle. A little wear on the seat and the cloth right there, and the piping. Now, of course, power windows, power locks, as you can see on the door panels. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, pop the hood. We'll turn the battery disconnect to on. I'll be back. We're going to fire this up. We'll check out the engine bay and stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, put the camera on it, show you how it goes down the road, and kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, battery disconnect is turned to on. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And here you can see the miles, 96,756. That's what it appears on the Carfax also. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. You can see the kind of tweaked headlight switch. Again, consult with your sales associate. Call in AM/FM cassette, automatic with overdrive. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice sounding 5.0 dual exhaust. And let's take a peek at the engine bay. Hood liner. There it is. With your battery disconnect. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, 5-liter. also notice the tags with the VIN on it on each of the panels. There was no accidents indicated on the Carfax. It doesn't surprise me. Doesn't look like there's been any sockets on the fender bolts. Smooth runner, sounds as it should. Let's go ahead and get that convertible top put up quick. Check out that black vinyl top. And like I said, we'll wrap up this walk around and you can check out the driving video. And here we go with the top up. So black vinyl top. It's a newer top, has been replaced. It is on there tight. Power top functions as it should. See a little trim piece, a little shrinkage from heat. As far as heat, if you got a little sun on this top, it'll take these wrinkles out. Like I said, it's been indoors here, has not been out in the sun, but it is a nice tight fit. I have not noticed rips, tears, or holes. Glass rear window. Oh, I want to show you the side windows, also how they fit. Looks good there. Passenger side. Again, I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Need it to keep you out of the sun or rain. Is going to function just as it should. 1991 Ford Mustang LX convertible, clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1991 Ford Mustang convertible. The speedometer does not function on this car. This car is otherwise loaded up pretty nicely. We have power lumbar on the driver's seat. The convertible top is glass rear window, which is always a nice option. Blower motor is working, wipers are working. This is an automatic on the center console. Acceleration is very good from this car. Our oil pressure is looking good, a little over half on the gauge. Fuel gauge is working, showing 3/4 of a tank. Battery is charging above half on the gauge, and the temperature is right about in the middle of the gauge as well. All looking good. Factory tachometer, that is working. Very comfortable cloth bucket seats in this car with its white exterior and red interior. Not much for wind noise though. The windows do seal pretty well against that convertible top. The brakes are working really well. Nice look with that hood scoop added to the hood. The Fox Body Mustang, a very successful line of cars for Ford. Lots of power when you kick down that transmission. The kick down is working. Nice smooth ride. As with both Fox bodies, you can feel the road just enough to notice the good handling and road capabilities. Learn more about this car and take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.